Nereye? Hai mere, aborun dalam orang ada sokor lebuli. Andala korbuli Mura District School no. Ini tahun kota negara waktu lata ibu kerja di rumah. Macam? Oh, betul tak? We are here to celebrate the commissioning of this new school building and the new upgraded works on your campus. But I think we all know that these new buildings will only serve their true purpose once they are filled with the energy and enthusiasm of our young people, who can use them to further their education. So, before we celebrate this development, I'd like to speak on our strategy to safely reopen our schools for learning. As you all know, we made the decision to close our schools for in-person learning during the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic in April of this year. That decision was taken in the best interest of students, of parents and teachers. Young people, as you will have heard, are not immune to COVID-19, and it would have been disastrous for our students to mix and mingle in classes, potentially spread the virus, and then bring it home to infect members of their families. For 6 months, our students, teachers, and parents have handled this adversity admirably, shifting learning from classrooms to the home while we've deployed vaccines to protect our people. Thanks to our national effort to offer the proven production of vaccines across Fiji, we are here in a much better and safer place as a nation today. Over 90% of adults have both doses of COVID-19 vaccine. And I thank those who are fully vaccinated for their commitment to their health and the health of their nation, including our teachers, who have also done good work preparing learning materials for students during this difficult period. Now we are in the process of offering the protection of vaccines to those under the age of 18. Vaccinations for those who are 15 to 17 years old have been steadily rolled out since 16 September 2021. And last week, we began vaccinations for those 12 to 14 years so that our young people can join the hundreds of millions around the world who are also being vaccinated against COVID-19. We are seeing very good uptake so far, and I thank the parents who have shown the responsibility to have their children protected so that we can get back safely to the lives we have missed so dearly. As we assess the effectiveness of our vaccine rollout, we are planning to resume face-to-face classes for years 8 to 13 from Tuesday, 4th January 2022. And na malini bosa kini na turang kina maram andam sa juno on turang ni bal amay bomatin tu tagsa chilo na kena taro bosa tar chilo kunu ni mo ra nasa bolo.